Hey, Adam here with FCP Euro. Today I'm going to be changing the tailgate struts on this Volvo V60. There are a couple differences between P3 models, so this is just going to be for the P3 V60 without automatic tailgate function. I'm going to be installing Lessfridger's OE springs. They're super high quality. The reason why I'm doing this is because the hatch on my car is actually a little bit lazy. Sometimes it comes down a little bit, usually in cold weather. You may notice on yours if it's leaking a little bit, that would indicate a bad seal. Either way, that's when you replace your struts. Let's get started. All right, open the trunk. Since it's nice and warm in here, it's actually not so bad. When it's cold, it's very reluctant to pop up. So starting out, you're gonna see the top mounting point right here. To pull this out, you just need a thin screwdriver, and this clip is basically holding the ball joint on. Be careful while you're popping this out to support the top, just in case the whole thing pops off and then the top swings down, which you don't want. So as you can see, with half of the force, this is now coming down, so you could actually just use your head. And then, now that it's free, you can just come in here with a screwdriver and pop the bottom one off. Just careful not to nick your paint, and it'll just come right off. To install, just make sure that this ball joint is clean. Looks good to me. And then you should be able to just pop it on. You can see the metal clip. It just pops right into position. You don't need to take it off. Very easy. Moving to the top, stand tall. Pop that on right like there. Now we can move to the other side. So as you can see, for this model, the job is very basic and suitable for even the most beginner DIYers. All you need is a very thin screwdriver to pop those clips off. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Volvo content.